me ask you something. Have you ever stepped into your bathroom in the morning, half asleep, and thought, why does this simple room feel so chaotic? Not because it's small, not because it's outdated, but because a few tiny frustrations are quietly wearing you down every single day. Today's video is all about fixing that. No luxury renovations. No gimmicks that end up shoved in a drawer. These are small upgrades that solve real problems, the kind you don't even notice are draining your energy until they're gone. By the end of this list, at least one item is going to feel like it was made specifically for your bathroom. Let's get into it. Number 1. Adhesive shower caddy. No drilling, no wall damage, no tools. It sticks, it holds your bottles, and suddenly your shower goes from cluttered floor bottles to something that actually looks organized. Once you have real shelf space in the shower, you wonder how you lived without it. Number 2. Silicone drain and hair stopper. Clogged drains are one of those problems people just accept. This flat silicone stopper catches air before it becomes a plumbing nightmare. Lift it out, wipe it off, done. No more calling a plumber for something this small. Number 3. Quick dry non-slip bath mat. Regular bath mats stay damp, grow mildew, and slide around. This one grips the floor and dries fast, so you're not stepping onto a soggy mat every morning. Simple swap, completely different feeling underfoot. Number 4. Touchless automatic soap dispenser. Same idea as touch-free kitchen soap. No buildup around the pump, no shared germs, perfect amount every time. It's a small detail guests notice immediately. Number 5. Wall-mounted toothpaste dispenser. No more squeezed, twisted, half-empty tubes sitting in a puddle by the sink. One press, exact amount clean counter. It looks like a small thing until you realize how much counter clutter it removes. We've only just started and your bathroom already feels calmer, right? Before we continue, hit that subscribe button. Let's get into the real heavy hitters. Number 6. Filtered rain shower head. Better water pressure, an even rain style flow, and a filter that cuts down on chlorine and buildup. Showers stop feeling like a chore and start feeling like an actual reset. Number 7. Magnetic clear shower curtain liner. Regular liners cling to your legs and let water splash out. This one uses magnets to stay sealed against the tub, so water stays in and the curtain stays out of your way. Number 8. Over the toilet storage rack. Wasted vertical space above the toilet becomes real storage. Towels, extra tissue, toiletries, without a single drill hole. Perfect for small bathrooms that feel cramped no matter how you arrange them. Number 9. Towel warmer bar. Stepping out of a hot shower into a cold towel undoes the whole experience. This fixes that instantly. Once you feel a warm towel, cold ones feel like a downgrade. Number 10. Fog-free shower mirror. Trying to shave or check your face through a foggy mirror is a daily annoyance nobody talks about. This one stays clear through steam, so you stop wiping and start actually seeing. Number 11. No drill suction toothbrush holder. Toothbrushes touching the sink, collecting bacteria, is more common than people admit. This holds them upright and off the counter with zero installation. Number 12. Glass shower squeegee. Water spots and soap scum build up fast on glass doors. 30 seconds after your shower, and the glass stays streak-free for weeks longer than it would otherwise. Number 13. Digital bathroom scale with backlit display. No more squinting at tiny numbers in a dim bathroom. Clear display, accurate reading, and it actually looks intentional sitting on the floor instead of like an old relic. Number 14. Motion sensor LED toilet night light. It turns on automatically when you walk in at night and off when you leave. No blinding overhead lights, no stumbling in the dark, no waking anyone else up. Number 15. Small motion sensor trash can for the bathroom. Same idea that works in the kitchen, scaled down. Cotton pads, tissues, packaging, toss it in without touching a lid. Number 16. Smart water leak detector. A tiny sensor near the toilet, sink, or tub that alerts your phone the moment it detects moisture where it shouldn't be. It's the kind of thing you forget exists until it saves you from a very expensive repair. Number 17. Leak-proof travel soap case with drainage. Soap sitting in a puddle turns to mush. This case drains the water away and keeps the bar dry between uses, so it actually lasts as long as it should. Number 18. Waterproof phone mount for the shower. Music, podcasts, videos, without risking your phone or holding it with wet hands. It sticks to tile and holds steady through steam and splashing. Number 19. Automatic Bathroom Fragrance Diffuser. Set it once, and it keeps the room smelling fresh on a schedule, instead of a spray you have to remember to use. It's the difference between a bathroom that smells fine and one that feels like a hotel. Number 20. Adjustable Freestanding Towel and Storage Caddy. For renters or anyone who doesn't want to touch the walls, this gives you real shelving next to the tub or sink, towels, products, everything within reach, nothing installed. There you have it, 20 items that quietly fix the small frustrations of one of the most used rooms in your home. None of these are flashy, but every single one removes a little friction from your morning and night routine. Less clutter, less annoyance, less "why is this still a problem in 2026?" So tell me, which one surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.